Good afternoon, my dear friends. In last class, we discussed about decimals, introduction of decimals. What is fraction? Which fractions are called decimals? In yesterday's class, I explained. So first of all, on your videos and sit properly. Take out the textbook and running notes. Okay. Now in your textbook, exercise 6.1. Exercise 6.1. First bit. What is the first bit? Write the following fractions are decimals. Write the following fractions as decimals. First one. 1/10. 1/10. Write the following fractions as decimals. Here given fractions. Here given fraction. 1/10 is fraction. Okay. 1 part out of 10. Which fractions are having denominators 10, 100 and 1000? Those fractions are called decimal fractions. In yesterday's class we learned decimal fractions. The decimal fractions, how can we change into decimal form also? We learned in yesterday's class. Now 1/10. 1/10, how can we write in decimal form? Say anyone, once you recall yesterday's class. What I said 1/10 or 3/10, 6/10, 25/100. We written in decimal form. 1/10. Okay, decimal form. This is number name. 1/10 is number name. Thus 1/10, how can we write in decimal form? Decimal point. Decimal point. Put a decimal point and say the answer. Okay, 1/10 is correct only. Next, decimal point in symbolical. That is in words. I like yeah. You sent message that is in words. 1/10 is correct answer. Very good given answer. But we have to write in symbolical. Ayan, sit properly. Okay, shall I say? First one I am saying 1/10 decimal form is 1/10 equals 0.1. Okay, 0.1. 0 decimal point 1. Put a point, decimal point. Okay, decimal point 0.1. In 1/10, 10 is there. So we have to point number, one number before. Before one number, we have to put decimal point. Okay, did you understand, Emma? Okay, next one, second one. What is second one? 5/10. Say children, 5/10. What is the decimal form of 5/10? Yes, very good. 0.5. Decimal form of 5/10. Well, 0.5. Okay? Okay, children. Did you understand? First bit. Third one, fourth one, fifth one, homework for you. Okay? Third one, fourth one, fifth one. Try to your own. Just we have to write in decimal form. Decimal form only write down. Next, second bit. What is second bit? Write the following fractions as mixed decimals. Write the following fractions as mixed decimal. First one is 4 whole 5 by 10. This 4 whole 1 by 10 is, first of all, what is this fraction? Mixed fraction. 4 whole 5 by 10 is mixed fraction. This mixed fraction and 5 by 10 is decimal fraction. In denominator 10 is there. So these fractions are called decimal fractions. So how can we change into mixed decimal? Mixed decimal. Four whole 5 by 10. Here 5 by 10 0.5. 5 by 10 equals 0.5. But here 0 is whole number. Next here 4. In 4, 0 place we have to write 4. That is 4.5. Already we know what in 10 how many zeros are there? 1 0. So before one number we have to put decimal point. Then same as it is here also. Here whole number place we have to write 4 and after we have to write 5. That is 4.5 equal to 4 whole 5 by 10. 4 whole 5 by 10 equal 4.5. Okay, this is mixed decimal. 4.5 is mixed decimal. Next one more. Second one. What is second one? 9 whole 3 by 10. 9 whole 3 by 10. What is the answer? Say in mixed decimal. Say children. What is the mixed decimal? Here given 9 whole 3 by 10. 9 whole 3 by 10 is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. Yes, very good. 9.3. 9.3. 9 whole 3 by 10 equals 9.3. Okay. Next third one. 15 whole 2 by 10. 15 whole 2 by 10. What is the mixed decimal of 15 whole 2 by 10? Yes, very good, Manisha. 15.2. See children, here 2 by 10 is mixed decimal fraction 2 by 10 because here denominator 10 is there. In which fractions are having denominators 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Those fractions are called decimal fractions. Okay, I will see more. So then here 2 by 10 is 0.2. 2 by 10 is equal 0.2. That is decimal form. But here in whole number place, in 0 place here 15 is there. So 15.2. 15.2 is mixed decimal of 15 whole 2 by 10. Okay. 15.2. Good. Next, write decimals for the following. Third bit. Next, remaining fourth one and fifth one, write your own children. Okay. If in your textbook sufficient, you can write in textbook. Otherwise, you write in notebook only. Class work, running notes. You write and you send me pics. Okay, what I am giving homework, you complete in your running notes and send me pics, children. Write decimals for the following. Write decimals for the following. Here what given? First one, 3/10. Here given inverse, 3/10 given. So first we have to write in fraction form. Afterwards we have to write in decimal form. First here given first 3/10. 3/10. First, 3/10. How can we write in fraction form? 3/10. What is the fraction form of 3/10? 3/10. T and THS. Tenths. What is the fraction form? Don't say in decimal form. First of all, we have to write in fraction form. After we have to change in decimal form. Okay, 0.3 is correct. That is decimal form. Girl, I am asking about fraction form. First write in fraction form. Say in fraction form. 3/10. 3/10 equal first 3/10. Yes, is it correct or not? Yes, very good. 3/10. This 3/10 now you can change easily in decimal form. 0.3. That is decimal form. Okay? Did you understand, ma? If you have any doubt, raise your hand in first bit and second bit and third bit. In third bit, one more I will explain. What is that? Sixth one. I am explaining sixth one. What is sixth one? 25 and 4/10. 25 and 4/10. Sixth one. 25 and 4/10. 25 and 4/10 means 25 is whole number. Okay, 25 is whole number, not 25 by 4. That is not correct. 25 is whole number and 4/10. Then 4 by 10. Here you have to write 25 is whole number, 4 by 10. 25 and 4/10 means 25 whole, 4 by 10. Then 25.4. Manisha, 25.4 is, that is decimal form. Here 25 is whole number. 25.4. Okay? Did you understand, ma? Okay. You complete in your notebook first bit remaining problems and second bit remaining problems and third bit remaining problems also you have to complete your own in your CW. Okay, in your running notes. Okay. Then from first bit and second bit and third bit, if you have any doubt, once raise your hand, I will clarify your doubts. No doubts. Shall I say fourth bit? Shall I say, children? Fourth bit also. Yes, fourth bit also easy only. Okay. Now I will explain today only up to fourth bit only. Next, fifth bit in tomorrow class I will explain. Okay, na? Then here up to 4 bits only you have to complete in your notebook. Okay. Shall I erase them? Okay. I sent already pick also. In fourth class group I sent pick also. Okay. If you not completed, you complete from that pick. fourth bit. What is that bit? Write fractions for the following decimals. Right? Fractions for the following decimals. For the following decimals. What is first one? 0.5. Here given decimal point, you change into fraction form. First bit is fraction form given. Then we have to change into decimal form. But here given decimal form, now you can change into fraction form. First one is 0.5. What is the answer? 0.5. Fraction form, same fraction form. Write in fraction form. How can we write in fraction? Say children, anyone? Fraction form, fractions. Like these lines. Manichandana, you are sending something but not coming. Yes, 5 by 0. Alekya? 5 by 0 or 5 by 10? Yes, very good. 5 by 10. 5 by 10. Okay. Next is second one. 0.9. 0.9. 0.9. How can we write in fraction form? 0.9. Yes, very good. 9 by 10. 9 by 10. Good. Next one. Ninth one. Ninth one. What is ninth one? 37.6. 37.6. 37.6. How can we write in fraction form? Here 37 is whole number. Okay, here 37 is whole number. Next 0.6 is decimal number. Decimal number. So 37 write in whole number part, whole part, and write 0.6 is we have to write in fraction form. Yes, 37 whole 6 by 10. 37 whole 6 by 10. This 0.6 is decimal number. So we have to write in fraction form 6 by 10. Next point before number 37 is whole number. That is whole part. Okay, that is whole number part. So we have to write in whole number part. 37. We are making noise. 6 by 10. Just simple point before number is whole number part. Point after numbers are decimal numbers, decimal digits. Okay. Next point after, how many digits are there here? Only one digit. That is 6. Only one number. So we have to write in denominator 10. Okay, we have to write in denominator 10. Point after one number is there. So 6 by 10. This 37 is whole number. Point before number is whole number. This is 37 whole 6 by 10. Next remaining one, you only complete children. In your notebook you complete and send me pics. Okay, did you understand first bit and second bit and third bit, fourth bit? If you have any doubt, raise your hand. Okay, understand. Okay, take out the worksheet. Once take your worksheet, children. Day 1, day 2. Now I am explaining. Day 1, day 2 worksheet. You have to complete and send me pics. I explained yesterday also, I think. Yesterday I explained. Okay, once again I am explaining. Listen children. First day 1. What is day 1? write the number names from 50 to 100. 50 to 100 number names given here. You have to complete 50 to 100 number names. You have to complete here in this table. In this table, 50 to 100 number sign number names. Number sign number names you complete and take one pic and send me. Okay. Okay, Manisha already written. Very good girl. Okay, good. Next, those are not completed, you complete and send me pics. Next, day 2. What is day 2? In day 2, what is there? Place value. Here given place values of numbers. Here first, 36,987. In this number, what is place value of 7? What is place value of 8? What is place value of 9? What is place value of 6? What is place value of 3? Here given. One example here given. One example here given. Next, remaining ones also you have to complete same as it is, children. Okay. For example, 13,297. Here place value of 7 is 7 because 7 is in ones place. So place value is 7. Next, 9. 9 is in tens place. So 9 tens 90. The place value is 90. We'll complete total worksheet 15 days, teacher. Very good. Manichandra. Good. Next, 2 is in hundreds place. 2 is in hundreds place. So place value of 2, 200. Okay. Next, 3. Place value of 3. 3 is in thousands place is there. So place value of 3 is 3000. Next place value of 1 is 10,000. Okay, you have to write it. Here given space, you have to complete there only. And take pic and send me, children. Day wise. Today, up to evening, you complete and day 1, day 2 pics you send me. Before 6 o'clock. Okay? Before 6 o'clock only, you have to complete and send me pics. Day 1, only day 1, day 2. Okay, those are completed, you send me pics. Okay, children, did you understand, Amma? Everybody. Still now on worksheet are decimals in exercise 6.1. 4 bits. If you have any doubts, raise your hand and ask me. Anybody? Vivek, did you understand, boy? On your videos, everyone. Uday, Saini Uday. Did you understand, Amma? Saini Uday. Okay. Gugu Vandana Varshita on your videos. Joy Malika. S. Vishnu. Venu Yadav. Manikanta. Ayan. On your videos. Manikanta. Super Venu. Did you understand? Rahman. Do you have doubt? On your video first. M.A. Rahman. Bharat. On your videos. Okay, if you have any doubt, ask me, children. No doubts. M.A. Rahman. No doubt. Okay, good. Pajur Rajesh. Okay. Manideep Reddy. Meshana. No doubts. Chaitra. Chaitra, you 3rd class, I think. Why you came? Leave the meeting first. Okay, children. I hope today's class you understand. And in tomorrow class, I will explain decimals, expanded form and short form, place value of decimals. Okay? Okay, children. Thank you, children.